Dive into the exciting world of artificial intelligence. OpenAI Dev-Day 2023, under the leadership of Sam Altman, has unveiled the impressive GPT4-Turbo. It's a spectacular leap in AI technology, promising to revolutionize how we interact with machines. This advanced model boasts greater efficiency, delivering results that are more accurate and faster than its predecessor. It's not just about speed, though. GPT4-Turbo also offers enhanced understanding and generation of human language, opening new doors in automation and productivity. The event also emphasized transparency, a cornerstone of OpenAI's mission. With GPT4-Turbo, users can expect a clearer understanding of how the AI reaches its conclusions. In a world where technology is accelerating at a breathtaking pace, GPT4-Turbo stands as a testament to the incredible potential of AI. OpenAI Dev-Day 2023, a day of innovation, a glimpse into the future. Stay tuned for more exciting advancements in the world of AI.